welcome back to a beautiful episode in my kitchen. I know you all have been looking and searching and wondering, but I have not gone far. I'm right here. Thank you for your patience and tolerance. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you all for your support, your continuous support. Alright, so today we are going to make a mango delight. The good book says for everything there is a season, and so it's mango season. Alright, and we're going to make a mango delight, nice for the kids or for yourself if you like mango. So alright, so here we go. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to use mango water, agar, and this is gelatin. If you don't have agar, you can always use cornstarch, or you can just use gelatin, flavored or unflavored gelatin. And this is agar, so it's odorless, it's tasteless, but it's the vegetable one, of course. And I'm going to use some chia seed as well. And here for my, I love ginger, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some ginger to it and also some maraschino cherries. Alright, so let's get into it right away. Alright, so and this is my blending tool. Alright, so in my little blending tool, I'm going to add my mangoes. And they're very sweet, so most things that you see me making, they're basically without sugar because these mangoes are sweet already, so you don't want to add extra sweetness to it, of course. So, and then there you go. Alright, just to help with the blending, I am going to, alright, let me just take this away. I am going to use just a tip of water, not a lot, maybe about 1 tablespoon. All right, because the mango has a lot of juice as well. All right, so let's get into it. So we're gonna blend it. Nice, so I'm just gonna set this aside. All right, there you go. All right, so it's all through blending and it's a very smooth consistency because it's going to be basically a jello like delight, of course, so we don't want it to be too watery. So this is the consistency, no sugar added. All right, let's go over to the pot. We're going to use the water and the agar. Alright, so I'm going to light my stove. Alright, in my pot, I'm just going to add the water. Alright. So now that the water is hot, I'm just going to add my gelatin and allow it to be thickened. I'm just going to stir. Stir until it's dissolved, and then we're going to add our mango mixture. You can always add like flavors like vanilla but I just want a neutral taste to taste my mango. I don't want anything off. So now that it's thickening, give it about 10 more seconds stirring. Alright, stir until the flakes are dissolved, are properly dissolved, and no need to add any salt. Alright, we're going to add our mango mixture. and stir. And stir. Stir, stir, stir. And you want it to be under medium to low heat right now, so it can be properly simmered. And then we will definitely be transferring this mixture into our storage container. Alright, so this is about, say, 2 minutes cooking time. Alright, so now I'm going to turn off the heat and then transfer it to my storage container. Alright, so now that this is through, I'm just going to pour it in my storage container and allow it to cool. That's a lot. I'm going to allow it to cool, and I am going to add some chia seed. This should be fine. And then I'm going to add my cherries. I love things with color, so that's why you have me here adding my cherries. I don't like to see food blah. You should, when you're eating, it should actually look good. It gives the palate encouragement. Alright, so I'm just going to, after adding my cherries, I'm just going to put it to cool, and then I will add it in the I will put it in the refrigerator for about half an hour to an hour. And then we will come back and you will see the final result. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Andreen, and I'll definitely come back for the finished product. Alright, so now I'm just going to put it in my cooler for approximately 15 to 30 minutes to set, because it's already basically half set because of the cooling process. Alright, so now it's all set. So we are going to do the cutting or the slicing. Alright, so now I'm gonna slice. As you can see, it's Mango Delight, Mango Jello. Right, there you go. Look at this nice mango. You can have it with your ice cream. You can have it all by itself. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Have a blessed day wherever you are from. Goodbye. Until next episode.